On November 28th, 2018, Thanksgiving Day, at 8:30 in the morning, I was responding to a code in the emergency room. I had to filter life-saving medication for a critical patient. And I had to filter it because it was packaged in a glass ampule. What felt like an eternity ticked by as I frantically searched for a filter needle as everybody watched, waited, and stared. I'm Sue Carr, clinical pharmacist and founder and president of CarrTech. I have solved that problem that plagued me since that very Thanksgiving day. I'm here today with a solution called FROG, filter removal of glass. CarrTech is pioneering a safer, more efficient, and cost-effective way to administer medication. For those of you who aren't aware what a glass ampule is, this is what a glass ampule looks like. The problem is, to access the medication, you have to snap the neck. And 100% of the time, glass shards will enter into that ampule and contaminate the medication. Therefore, it needs to be filtered before it can be administered to the patient. If not, serious harm and consequences can happen to the patient. And this is why it is very important to filter each and every time. You may not realize this, but many medications are still packaged in glass ampules. Glass ampules are cheaper, readily available, stable for a longer period of time, and tamper-proof. And these are some of the most common ones like morphine, fentanyl, Narcan, propofol. And let me share with you some of the facts. 82 million glass ampules are open each and every day. $5 billion was spent by hospitals unnecessarily in treating needle stick injuries and wasted preparation time. And as you can see, there are 8 complicated steps to filter. The most dangerous ones I've highlighted in red, and that's where most of the needle stick injuries occur, proving that the current process is unsafe, time-consuming, and expensive. But this all ends today. Let me introduce you to FROG, filter removal of glass. So when I say we are pioneering a new way of administering, this is what I'm talking about. Simply break the ampule, withdraw the fluid, remove the outer filter cover, and inject. All in one package, all in one step. Less injuries, better patient care, more efficient, and a streamlined, lower healthcare costs, and reduced waste. A conservative estimate of the filter needle market right now in the United States is about $400 million and over $2 billion and growing. CarrTech's disruptive technology is revolutionizing the filter needle industry. By 2025, our total revenue is anticipated to reach over $14 million or close to $14 million, but this is just in hospitals and just in the United States. And by the way, the ampule needle market is a $4 billion market and growing. So ampules are not going anywhere. The cost of the FROG will be equal to the current cost of both the needles combined. So basically, you're getting a premium product at a competitive price. And CarrTech's estimated cost to make at scale will be anywhere between 5 and 10 cents each. The manufacturing, distribution, and storage will all be outsourced. We'll follow the same intermediary channels the hospitals are currently using. And what I haven't mentioned until now is that we have a key strategic partner who has established marketing channels and relationships within the hospitals for fast uptake and to secure contracts. They would very much like to take over the sales and marketing. These are some of our customers, including hospitals, compounding pharmacies, the DoD, and the veterinary industry, which is huge. To have a strategic partner already in place allows us to enter multiple channels of distribution all at one time. When FROG hits the marketplace, CarrTech will have the only all-in-one package, one needle filter device in the world. Imagine investing in a company that does not have the competitors with all the advantages that CarrTech offers. My amazing team of veteran pharmacists, scientists, and business advisors are committed to ensuring the success of CarrTech. We are disrupting healthcare and making a difference. It takes a village, and we have an amazing team of supporters in our community. I'm grateful especially to Old Line Capital Partners, our lead investors, Tedco and Fitzy. We're looking for more people dedicated to changing healthcare and to support our mission. Let me share with you what we need to take Frog to the marketplace. At this time, we're seeking $5 million in investment to complete our journey. We anticipate a FDA 510K Class 2 submission Q4 of this year, 2022. We've raised over $1 million in investment to date. We have completed informative human factor studies in both the United States and in EU, and they proved extremely positive feedback. We have more patents and more FDA submissions in the pipeline. So are you ready to take the leap to bring Frog to the marketplace and improve healthcare for all? Come join with us in pioneering a safer, more efficient, and cost-effective way to administer medication. Thank you very much, and I'll be happy to answer any questions.